Have you ever stared at a mountain of bills and wondered, is my money even safe where I've got it? It's a normal feeling, especially in today's world. Financial security is a top priority, and choosing the right bank is a big decision. So, if you're looking at the Commonwealth Bank, ComBank, and wondering if it's the right fit for you, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into ComBank's security measures, financial stability, and history to answer the burning question, is your money safe with ComBank? First, let's address the elephant in the room, bank security. Data breaches and scams are a constant threat. Thankfully, ComBank prioritizes robust security features. They utilize multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Imagine trying to unlock your phone. You need a PIN or fingerprint on top of the code, right? That's the idea behind multi-factor authentication. It makes it much harder for unauthorized access. ComBank also employs fraud detection systems that monitor account activity for suspicious patterns. If something seems off, they'll contact you to verify the transaction before it goes through. This can be a lifesaver if someone tries to make unauthorized purchases. But security goes beyond digital safeguards. ComBank invests heavily in physical security for its branches and data centers. Think high-tech security measures, access control systems, and constant monitoring. Okay, security is good, but what about the bigger picture? Is ComBank financially stable? After all, a secure vault doesn't mean much if the bank itself isn't on solid footing. Here's the good news. ComBank is one of Australia's big four banks. These banks are considered to be amongst the most stable in the country. They're subject to strict government regulations and oversight, which means they have to maintain a healthy reserve of funds to cover unexpected situations. Think of it like a safety net. Even if the economy takes a downturn, ComBank is likely to remain stable and able to meet its obligations to its customers. Now, let's talk history. ComBank has been around for over a century, weathering numerous economic storms. This long track record demonstrates their ability to adapt and thrive in changing financial landscapes. It's important to note that no bank is completely immune to risk. However, ComBank's size, regulations, and historical performance all contribute to its overall financial stability. So, is your money safe with ComBank? Based on their robust security measures, financial strength, and long history, the answer is likely yes. But remember, financial security is a two-way street. Here are some additional tips to keep your money safe. Be vigilant about suspicious emails, calls, or texts claiming to be from ComBank. Never give out personal information or account details unless you're absolutely certain it's legitimate. Regularly review your bank statements for unauthorized transactions. Consider using strong, unique passwords for your online banking and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. By following these tips and choosing a reputable bank like ComBank, you can take control of your financial security and achieve greater peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.